Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all my students. Okay, so we continue our final video on this chapter, cost of capital. As I teach you all before, how to calculate cost of bond, preferred stock, and equity operations you consider as common stock as well. So, class. Before I proceed to calculate what is the weighted average cost of capital, I would like to share you to recall you back on preferred stocks and common shares. So this information is on preferred stock, right? So 8% preferred stock, your nominal value of 100. So this is par value, can be issued at, as I told you, issue at, sell at market price. So it's considered as market price. The flotation cost of a 5% of issue price will be incurred. So 5% times 110, you will get a flotation cost. This is other question I just want to share. Okay, where is the dividend percentage? Yes, you see this 8%? 8% preferred stock is your preferred stock dividends in percentage. So how to calculate in RM? 8% times with 100 using the same step. Alright, based on the similar previous question just now. Alright, so go to ordinary shares or common stock are currently set at 5 ringgit. So this is your market price. To issue a new share, the flotation cost is 4% of the market price. So what is your market price just now? Currently selling at 5 ringgit time. The dividend paid was 50 ringgit. Sorry, dividend paid was 50 cent and it's expected to grow at constant rate of 6%. For fact, this is G. How about this? Is this DO or D1? This is DO. Why? If D1, the question need to put this term, the expected dividend paid. And the expected dividend, the next year dividend. But in this case, we assume this is a recent dividend paid was 50 cent. After you extract all the information, so then you can calculate cost of debentures, preferred share, and common stock. Now we need to calculate the weighted average cost of capital for overall. So based on the previous question, so you need to calculate, yeah, 30% of debt, 20% of debt, and 50% of equity. As I told you, class, this question, optimal capital structure, the question F give you the 30% debt, 20% debt, we call it as weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, weight, alright? That we call it as weight. So what is weight, class? How many percentage the company decide to issue? 30% debt, 20% preferred stock, and 50% of equity. Certain question they do not give you the weight. You need to calculate. So this is another question I just want to share. You see, do you see any weight? No. So you need to calculate. So first of all, you need to add up. As I told you in class, ordinary shares, share premium, retaining, you need to plus. So total is 12,000, 12,500,000, correct? So how to calculate the weight? So for first, what is the weight for debentures? 10,000. This is the optimal capital structure. To find the weight, 10,000 divided by the total capital, then you times with 100. 2,500,000 divided by 25 million times 100, and the 12 million, sorry, 12,500,000 that you get from the plus 8 million plus 2.5 plus 2 million, then you get 12 million, right? 12,500,000. So 12,500,000 divided by 25,000 times 100, then you get the weight for your common stock. So that is the way how to calculate weight. Clear? So you got a lot of type of question that you can see. So how to calculate weight just for sharing? Okay, just for sharing how to calculate weight. Okay, for if the question did not give you any weight, you can put like this for bond, sorry, or debentures is the same. It's not the same, but using the same calculation, it could, okay, for calculate the weight, all right, equals to 10 million. Okay, divide by the total 25 million. If the question did not give you any weight, time with 100, then you get the percentage. Same goes for preferred. Okay, same goes for preferred shares. So what can I know your capital structure? 22,500,000, right? 1,000 divided by the total. then times with 100, then you get your weight per preferred stock. How to get your common stock, class? Correct, your ordinary share, you need to plus all. 8 plus 2.5 plus 2, then you get 12,500,000 divide by 25 million times 100. So you realize that all your percentage will be 100. So this is I show you the step. Hold on. You see, the question get 40%. This is 40%. This is 10%, and this is 50%. So this is a way to calculate weight if the question did not give you any weight. Alright, but in this question, the question give you 30% debt, 20% of preferred stock, and 50% of equity. So how to calculate, class? Come, I'll show you. First, this is a table for WACC. Okay, first of all, you need to put the weight for. That's why you need to calculate. For the other question just now, you need to calculate weight because you need to put in the WACC table. So, but in this question, as you can see, he have give you 30% debt, next, 20% preferred stock. Alright, we try to put it first, then you can know. Okay, so this is bond, 30%. Class, please change it to decimal. Please change it to decimal. Clear? Next, preferred stock 0.20, 20%, you see. Next is 50% of equity. You need to find the weight. How many percentage that you want to issue? Clear? That done. So this is the question you need to remember. Okay, next, you don't need to see the question. Alright? You focus on the calculation that we have calculated. Now, for the second column, column B, you need to put the cost of capital that we have calculated just now. So, first, what is your cost of capital for bond? So, this is bond, correct? Bond. So, your cost of capital, remember, don't do any careless mistake. Was certain students they will put 10.39. No, you only take the cost of that after tax. So, you put it as, okay, class, remember, for WACC, you need to remember that you need to put decimal point only. All clear? Next, preferred stock. What is the answer from preferred stock? That means all your cost of capital will be used in WACC. Can you calculate WACC without calculating all your cost of capital for each financing? No, right? Good. So you need to calculate source of financing for bond first, preferred stock also. Then you can calculate your WACC. So 0.0757. Can I put 7.570%? No. For WACC, please calculate using decimal point. No percentage involved first. Alright? Third one, common stock. So what is a common stock? Yes, you get the answer. 28.881%. However, in the table, you must put what, class? Perfect decimal point. 28881. Okay, so how to find your A? Third column. Next, 0.3 A times B. So 0.3 times 0. So how to calculate? Come, we calculate together. 0.3 times with 0.06235. You will get 0.018705. Please don't ask me, can I put 4 decimal? My suggestion, better you put all first. Last answer, then you can round up to 2 decimal point only. Next, 0.2, okay, 0.2 will time with 0.0757 time with 0.0757, then you will get 0.01514. Okay, next. Okay, hold on. Now I just want to check back the first answer. 0.06235 times 0.3. Correct, you get the answer. Okay, now we go to the next one, common stock. 0.5 times 0.281. 0.5 times 0.28881. And you will get 0.144405. Clear? Okay, how to find WACC? Then you need to sum all the column of weighted capital just now. So 0.0 plus with 0.115 plus with this common stock. Okay, now 0.018705 will plus with this plus 0.015, sorry, oh my god, repeat back, sorry class, 0.018705 plus with 0.01514 plus, you see, plus with 0.114, okay, 0.144405 equals to, then you get your answer, 0.17825. Class, remember, you need to put last for WACC. This is considered WACC, weighted average cost of capital. So this you need to put in decimal point and percentage. How to find in percentage, class? You times with 100, then you will get 17.83%. Last answer, then you can round up to 2 decimal point. So your WACC is 17.833. That is the overall weighted average cost of capital. Consists of bond, only 30% you use it, preferred stock 20%, common stock only 50%. So using the weightage and the cost of capital, you time it, A times B, then you sum all the source of financing at the third column. Alright, you sum all these things, then you get 17.83%. Class, remember, please use decimal point for column A and B. Alright, don't use percentage. So this is WACC. Come, is it answer our question? Yes, calculate the firm WACC. However, if I want to add one question, alright, if IRR is 19%, so should this company proceed with this project? If IRR is 19%, should the company proceed with this project? Yes. Why? When you compare to your cost of capital, okay, this is your cost of capital, correct? 17.83. Cost of capital is 17.83, but your return is 19%. Means that your IRR, sorry, your IRR, oh my god, IRR is higher than WACC. So you should this company proceed? Yes. The answer is yes. Because why? Because why class? Why? IRR, because IRR is higher than WACC. The return is higher than the cost of capital that you need to pay. Clear? Because IRR is higher than WACC. So same goes to this slide. Okay, so using the same method, Alright, calculate WACC. So weighted is here. Remember, please don't use in percentage. You must put it as 0.4. Next. This is for other question. You can go through your slide that I have teach in class. So try to do it and answer it. Okay. You must have remember to memorize the formula, the step, the understanding behind of it. You need to understand what is bond, what is preferred stock, and what is common stock. Okay, I have teach in class, right? The theory part and the behind of what is bond, what is common stock, the operation, and how is the operation of preferred stock as well. So please understand the concept first. Then you do more exercise on this chapter so you can answer my exam later. And remember, understanding is very important, not only memorizing, understanding so you can apply in the future. Alright, so class, so that's all for today. That's all for our chapter. So I have teach you all how to calculate cost of bond, cost of preferred stock, cost of equity, and WACC. So please don't forget to memorize all the formula. Formula cost of bond, 5 step, preferred shares, and common shares. Lastly, WACC. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you. Good luck. Assalamualaikum.